Abagusii ondigerere tichinga kiechiga andonsia soko ondigerere korwa either mambia marago wasemo gaso tego kwani ngam byole chema knight nkorokwa na Gusii voice yabere ngaki ntambe to abere to kubaletere megano ao asengencho yogo gosemia nabo igoko kwa information kulingana n'enjira abantu bagendete komenya especially kurwa rugongoro itu rwa Gusii abere to gutara chi county chitu ibiri chia Gusii Gusii na Nyamira singencho koletere megano ao iyo abantu babere bakogokera buna toko batoko nyereta dego akiranga mbia mono asingencho kwa bere ko support our channel kwa bere ko ba part of our family kirenga kitokole tomugano kwa bere ko kunyurigereria nabo igombale babere bakabago support either financially emotionally ose asenchirende kwa ene kingi megano to korateri ko ba in vain nande boigo to babere to korete megano ya chinchiria abantu iskogari kulingana na bakolengereria nabo igo yakarba ko relate ne story to ko koreta asenchiremo gose ende deko bakiranga mbia mono ase asayo tuachage to mwakoria. By the way, our channel is 1 year old asing in jokolete meganiga, and I want to thank everyone abereka go subscribe abereka go like chistorchi to abermo koruchi comment asenchire yo ne armo kongo moya nanche nagendra go korabo tambe ne team yane asoko ene kinga nkoleta tole emeganiga kegima. Subscribing as a channel sometimes no ko mente family yani buna nchende kurugaiga ayo ndigire tinta ko manyeti ekarago subscribe na benge muntu obwatanire we are one family no kwene kinga kere nga kinkole tomugano kwatoka nga ngoko ere notification yawe tenga mwana olio mino oretire gento gete onye kubwete chingaki kwaligere ligose gwacha kuligere badaye esingincho kwa manyirenga Marknight okorete ire gento gete in the period of 1 year to abere to support to agachire chinyomba. By the way tuirira abane skuru tuagorira abante ndagira tuakonyira abante emotionally asengencho ye support elikuwa abere gukurwa ocha se channel ito ya Gusii voice nabego tuakindire subscribers from 0 one gatoligere 13,000 subscribers, and I want to thank you so much ase wali batara subscribe. Take this time na yako part of our family as go subscribing. By the way teri ko ira besa chindi chons ose teri go ira bundles chinyinge nelinga ki anytime okonyoranga nkolete video na yako atoka ngi notification lingo ko era kirenga ki Marknight yokoreki ose Gusii voice ya letre video onye ko rochenge story inege ndane with what you feel like kuligerelie yatoka nga kuligerelie mole. I want to thank abashabiki ito mbali babere bako twakiresi mwetere namba ite studio bande bako advice Marknight koraiga Marknight story itigana nero Marknight expand this story Marknight kabako koraiga, you know, sharing with your audience sometimes it improves even the quality of videos talk about tokoleta, and it's nice no I criticism ngo chinde nanja bantu mbali bako bakoranga kresi mantenga Marknight ga utokoleta bia nanche ngote initiative ina na kora marekebisho, and that is accepted because to koragento to expecting bantu mbari actina krokyo either good or bad nande mbali bago ta Marknight you're doing a good job na barabo they are accepted within our community and our family bono gochakira mwaka uria ange December wika umwaka oiga banda bange mbara rocha Marknight stories nchiri gocha Gusii voice na nini story nchie ngai Marknight wa chiete, you know, which has been a concern and then go back rangambia mono sibali babere bago check on our stories amashabiki ito nale ga patekera ripako ligere story chigana nde bako ngakira sana. I can name a few but singincho ye chingaki let me just appreciate nga mwabere mogo check up, which is nice, and I really thank you so much. Bono, as all you know, that is why you don't see much of me bringing stories. Asengencho ya logistics, mobility, nebintu binde binge, asengencho ya economy ito ya Kenya buna ya birige koba. But all said and done, not everything Marknight, we can share this story with my people. Asengencho nanya ko gani support, by the way, kurwa small financially abantu barara babiri bago support, but I've never come here asengencho gotakanga Marknight support me for bringing stories here and there. Bono, it's time I'm here to plead with you nga ndaite abantu mon support support me in order for me to bring you stories igana agaria ase enchere yo na inwe family ya Gusii Voice. I have 25 stories. Mbwate 25 episodes chemegano mbangete ase nchiko chikobaletera. Emegane yige range on our daily basis live. Mugano ndo bwen stokoleta sometimes nkobole ndira konyora mugano yiga to konyo research tuanyokora analysis twaligere impact kiora letere community twaligere nga mugano yiga value kiora ora abego cha somonto koligereria ase binte byonsi ipi. So before a story is aired, a story yiga nkuli kwaligere no approach kingo chiko story yiga a viewer ya nenga kira relate na this story. At the end of the day, faida ki story igera lete o just say omurigereria okoligereria. So I have 25 stories. Chi story jige 25 nda tukoleta episodes 25 episodes. Chirega isko. Ndigete chonsi ipiga iga ngoreta analysis chi story chonsi ipina ndebna ngokoro kiega. Chi story jige chonsi ipi 25. I want you to be part of this journey of 25 episodes, real life episodes, real life stories, chiabanto, nebinto, nenchira abantu bamenyete, nenchire bintu bikogenda, nabo igo story chirago semie, ora relate na chirochio, ora ligere na chirochio gosichiko fundishi gose nae, bo igo ligere nga kibintu bigo chikoba iskoga. Story chigante tukoleta 25 episodes. I want you to be part of them. I'm here ko rangeli support asonde wensi orabe willing to support me to bring these 25 episodes. This story emerongebere ne tano. Every episode to bring a story bakere with the production team, connection of production biyo kolekana at least one story can take to up to 5,000. Komeke story igebe complete eliyeche gocha screen yao. Bonongo sabaiga. On the Wednesday, Oliskari, otete ko support this ministry, otete ko support this journey of 25 episodes, 25 stories, back to back, chire ready, written and completed in arrangement. Chita gete tu support yo mategere lione, olio ndigere tigaiga. This is your chance to support me. This is your chance to support Gusii Voice. Echina chichinga kichi yago na yo supportie emeremega to okora elio tolete megani iga yonsi pia senchira yo boikirano. And I'll really appreciate. Ondora tenga magnite, let me support one story. Asogo tuma 5,000. Ondora tenga magnite tigan support this story sato. Asogo tuma 15,000. Ondora tenga support this story san. Asogo tuma 25,000. Ondora tenga magnite, I want to be part of every story yokoleta. I really appreciate. Ondora tenga magnite yaya. Tigambe kena inche 1,000. Tigambe kena inche 500. Tigambe kena inche 200. Kidogo kidogo ujaza kibaba. Nabako nyoranga tuwakore megani iga senchira yo wikirano. Monto ya manteng magnite. You are our business and that is where we belong. Enyo kubwate ngari ndilionsi. Dia wakonga bring it to us. Nyentuko support. I've never asked for support. I think this is the right time to include you to be part of my business, to be part of Gusii Voice, asogo to support. Namba yetu ya support no area se screen gaiga. On the Wednesday oratume any support your connection and I 25 episodes to you. I'll be so glad and I'll be appreciating you. Ondora tevenga magnite no me I want to support and remain anonymous. It's okay. Ondora take for me to even appreciate na ndina bangu bagangi ku appreciate abantu. I'll be naming even one name. Monto bakotenga that is good singincho kwa bereko go support our channel. So I plead to you abana minto, help me bring these 25 episodes to you. And I believe after the end episode 25 out of 25 ningira nega go appreciate na ndemba tenga nki kwaso miri cross story jiga 25 chip story jiga 25 chibuate story abantu kuruchinsemo nyamira kisi abantu abange babwate emegano yabo wedere emegano yabo rasome genteke morenchera abantu baitu bamenyete na kwandire n'abantu abayiga na bangire na barbo enchire bintu byabo bire. That is why I'm here was about support ya ino and I know you can. Onye mwato mete support ya ino nkagacha chinyomba. Onye mwato mete support ya ino nkaira abane school. Onye mwakorita support ya ino tokagokia abantu bande. Nechinga kiche ino na ino go support magnite nera baletere meganiga asenchire buneyo. Nande boigo asonsi make sure nga go subscribe bole. Ekero go support na eka base part of the family. As each episode je 25 onte inga Mark episode gete ya ngusire na ebo igona bokonyoranga twasukiria abantu abangi tubwate story kurwa segekoro tugotwara story nchira abantu abangi baitaire mechano tubwate story abantu bari successful bacha greatness paka baikira segete tubwate story cha abantu abangi ba give up in life tubwate story cha abantu abangi batakire ko commit suicide boniga ba change ebinti bingerange matters from education to everything chonsi pia chiga tuchirete ucha sobosibo ino asenchira buneyo support me for these 25 stories 25 episodes 25 stories. I want to do these stories within 25 days. 25 episodes, 25 stories, 25 days. And I want your support. On the way, your support, if you have any money that you want to support me, Mbeka sena mbeyere se screen, Thomas sena mbeyo. On the way, your rata kunga kresi mi ante binga Mark 19 tego support story sana. Mark 19 tego support story komi. Nima ita bantu mbale blessed differently. Abantu bari able differently. Umuntu bagote Mark night I want to support all the stories and God will bless you. Timbo atiande ngomenta nyasa tigago seseni obe part of this journey. Nyasa tigago seseni oba blessing to me, oba blessing to the Gusii voice. Nabo igo ekeroto akorre igo nabo okonyoranga tuachenchire story omuntu tuachenchire community in one way or the other. Until next time, keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting. Tomerane asechi story jiga 25 wetera a support yao. Ne support yane it'll make Gusii voice to be a channel for the Gusii people. Yeah man.